You ain't gotta lie, Kenny. You ain't gotta lie. Hold on, whew, my knees. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Outre. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay, and your girl got her black coffee on deck because I'm doing my intermittent fasting. And because this video is filmed before noon, I gotta make sure I stick to my goals. Okay, your girl is trying to get it together, okay? So that's all that's in my cup, black coffee with a little bit of creamer, nothing crazy. A lot of y'all be like, oh, what she got in her cup today? I'm not drinking no hard liquor at 9 o'clock in the morning, okay? But no matter what you're sipping on today, whether it's water, juice, coffee, wine, tea, other things, go ahead and pour it up so you can sip it up and get into this look, okay? If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind and down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling, oh. I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. Moon is rising and the stars are coming now. But we miss it cause we're way down on the ground. Ain't nobody interrupting if we decide. I just need a night with you, baby. Yeah. Then we be blinded by the lights, oh. We get this feeling, oh, so right, oh. I'm so over being sober, yeah, all I know. I just need a night with you. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it.
Okay, so let me just say right now, I'm kind of feeling myself. Okay, listen. Like I said, this unit comes to us from Outre. It is their middle part feed-in box braids in 36 inches, and I got her in the color 1B. The unit does come in specialty colors, so if you want to check it out, you can. It comes with a 4x4 HG lace parting space here in the center, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. It also comes with the attached elastic band, so you can wear this unit glueless. However, as you saw in my install, I did spray mine down around the hairline here just to make sure she was secure, because I do not have on my wig grip because this cap is more big head associated than big head friendly, and only because I cannot pull it all the way down onto the back of my head. Now it fits pretty good around like my ears and everything, but if I was to pull it down the back, the front of my cap would kind of slide back. And I already got a lot of forehead real estate. I ain't trying to exceed that, okay? So my unit's sitting pretty much at the cusp of my nape, but it does come down on the sides, so big head girls, you may be able to, you know, do a little something with this one, okay? Like I said, this unit comes in 36 inches, and y'all, it is giving inches on inches on inches. You hear me? This comes down past the nether regions on me, and I'm actually here for it, okay? If you've been on my channel for a while, you know that I tried a higher quality XXL length box braid unit maybe about 2 years ago, and y'all, that joint, although I love that wig, I still have that wig. It is gorgeous. It is also heavy. It gets real heavy around my temples and as well as my head. My head be doing this all day. I can't, no. But with this joint right here, y'all, lightweight. I don't even feel no weight on my hair. Like I'm doing all this and I don't feel nothing. Now it may not look the greatest up close, especially when you start to get into like, you know, the parting space, because again, it's only a 4x4 lace parting space up in here. So you get the realness right here, but on the sides, you know, not so much. But the trade-off is that I can rock this joint all day and still be comfortable. That's good enough for me. I want to be able to rock my wigs consecutively, okay, all day. That's what I want to do, and I can definitely rock this one all day and be just fine, y'all. Now, if you're new to synthetic braided wigs, then you don't know about the gappage in the back, or like how they make their caps look, you know, fuller without actually being fuller. They use little tricks up in here, like string and everything, to make sure you don't see the cap or, you know, see the extra braids and things like that. So, you know, same thing with this one. There was some gaps a little bit on the side here, especially on this side, because of how this section is. It just keeps wanting to fall like to the front like this. But if I pull it on back and get the braids together, you know, it goes back into place. So, you know, be mindful of that. You may need to use some bobby pins or some extra string to kind of get that in place. Now, if you saw my put down, you saw that I went in with my concealer right here in the middle, because the unit doesn't come with like a parting space down the middle. It gives you the parting space across, which I couldn't figure out why it was looking weird on me. And then I was like, wait a minute, there's no part down the middle. That's not natural. So I had to put a makeshift part down the middle, and I feel like that makes it look a lot more natural. I also use my blow dryer on warm heat and high to get my unit flat around the sides here, because it was definitely giving me football head, and I don't want that, okay? Listen. I don't want that. So I made sure to go ahead and flatten that out. Now she's wearable. Now I can rock her and be real comfortable and just fine. You do get the curly cute baby hairs around the front. If you don't want them, you can cut them off. If you want them, you can swirl them how you want to swirl them. You can make them shorter, longer, whatever you want to do, okay? The baby hairs are there for you to do what you want to do with them. I think all in all, she's a cute unit. She gives me the look that I want, and I'm actually here for her now that I styled her on me. I mean, look at the inches. Look at the inches. Okay, listen. I'm feeling real like, you ain't gotta lie, Kenny. You ain't gotta lie. I am set. Yeah. But y'all let me know down below what you think about this unit. Shout out one more time to Outre for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put some direct links for this unit down below, so you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.